Hey there, English learners! Let's laugh, sing, and learn some funny idioms together. Each one has a short meaning, so you'll understand them right away. Ready? Let's go!
Don't cry over spilled milk, they say. It means don't be sad for small mistakes, okay?
Break a leg
Before you go on stage, that means good luck.
Shine!
And engage.
Whee!
It's a piece of cake, I shout with glee. That means it's easy, just wait and see.
I hit the sack
After work each day, it means I'm tired, I'm gonna lay. Let's laugh and learn. Sing it loud and clear. These funny idioms are music to your ear. They sound so strange, but don't you fear. They make your English sound sincere. So sing along and clap your hands.
Let's learn idioms from every land.
Let's learn idioms from every land. Hold your horses, my teacher said. That means wait a moment, don't rush ahead.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Oh no! That means you told a secret you shouldn't show.
Bite the bullet.
That's what we do. It means face something hard and push through. Under the weather if you feel that way. It means you're sick, just rest today.
Laugh and learn.
Sing it loud and clear. These funny idioms are music to your ear. They sound so odd, but don't you fear. They make your English sound sincere. Oh, so sing along and clap your hands.
Let's learn idioms from every land.
Hit the books
Means
start to study.
oh,
Break the ice.
say hi, be friendly.
In hot water,
Oh,
you're in trouble.
once in a blue moon.
Not often, maybe double.
Couch potato.
Someone lazy all day.
Spill the bean.
Your secret gave way.
Cost an arm and a leg.
Wow, that's expensive.
Cool as a cucumber.
Calm and impressive. Laugh and learn, don't be shy. Idioms make your English fly. They sound funny, that's the clue, but they mean something special too. So sing again and move your feet. English learning sounds so sweet. Butterflies in my stomach.
Oh, my heart.
It means I'm nervous.
Shaky
We're
start.
raining cats and dogs.
Touch the sky.
It means it's raining really hard.
Oh, my.
Hit the nail on the head.
You're so right.
It means you said it perfectly.
Clear and bright.
Pull someone's leg.
Oh, don't you see?
It means just joking, playing with glee. Let's laugh and learn. We've sung them all. Funny idioms, big and small. They make your English full of cheer. So keep them close throughout the year. Say, sing again, you'll never forget.
Idioms are your best too.
It's learn idioms, go your best to.
English learning full of fun.
Your journey's bright, it's just begun. And remember, if learning feels hard, don't cry over spilled milk. Just smile, sing again. And your English will shine.